The balance sheet of Rupali, Deepali, and Mitali, who are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1, was follows. Capital of Rupali and Deepali is 60,000 and 40,000, and sundry creditors amount 2,40,000 rupees. Bank loan with a change charge on stock, it is 1 lakh rupees. Bank loan with a charge on stock, it is 1 lakh rupees, and fixed assets are 2 lakh 18,000, and goodwill 60,000 rupees. Stock 1 lakh 20,000 rupees, bank 2,000 rupees, and capital of Mitali is 40,000 rupees. On the above daily, the firm was dissolved and assets realized released as under. Fixed assets were sold for 1 lakh 80,000. What are the fixed assets? These are sold for the amount of rupees 1 lakh 80,000, and stock released rupees 1 lakh 4,000 rupees, and realization expenses amount rupees 6,000 rupees. So, assuming that all partners are insolvent, preparation, realization account, partners capital account, bank account, and sundry creditors account. So, bank loan account and efficiency account. Because in a realization account means in all partners are insolvent means all partners are insolvent means we should not transfer outside liabilities to realization account. Open third party liabilities accounts like a sundry creditors, bills payable, and bank loan and efficient bank loan. These things are separately we are opening in a when the in all the partners are insolvent. So next, for this we should prepare a deficiency account also. Open a deficiency account and transfer debit balance of the partner's capital account to deficiency account. This amount will transfer to in the deficiency amount. So first one is realization account. What are the recovering accounts are opening? First we'll sell that because the firm is dissolving, so need to sell all the assets to pay for the liabilities. So um, for the third parties, first one is sundry assets account data. So all the assets will come in a debit side. So sundry assets account, that is fixed assets is 2 lakh 18,000 rupees, and goodwill also it can be pay for the liabilities from the goodwill, fixed assets, and the stock. So goodwill amount is 60,000 rupees and stock amount is 1 lakh 20,000 rupees. So these are the sundry assets of account. So coming in a debit side in a realization account, from these can uh, pay for the liabilities. So amount is 3 lakh 98,000 rupees. And next is by bank account. By bank account, fixed assets released. This is fixed assets released were sold for a amount of 1 lakh 80,000 fixed assets, like that is 1 lakh 80,000 rupees. 1 lakh 80,000 rupees. It is fixed assets were sold. That amount is coming here in the liability, in the credit side, in the realization account. Fixed assets 1 lakh 80,000 rupees. And by bank account, stock released amount is 1 lakh 4,000 rupees. Next is by partners capital account, and so this is sundry assets, and here it is liabilities. And next to bank account. Bank account amount is 6,000 rupees. The realization expenses amount rupees is 6,000 rupees. In a bank it is amount of 6,000 rupees is in a realization account. Next, so this is a by bank account stock released amount is 1 lakh 4,000 rupees. And next entry is that by partners capital account, loss and realization transfer, how much amount is recovering to the partners, that is loss will be transferred to the partners capital account. So partners are so total amount here it is 4 lakh 4,000 rupees. In a 4 lakh 4,000 rupees minus 1 lakh 80,000 and minus 1 lakh 4,000 rupees. So realization amount is left, that is 1 lakh 20,000 rupees. This 1,20,000 rupees will be transferred to the three partners in a 2:1 ratio. So 1,20,000 into 2 divided by 5. So amount is 48,000 rupees for a Rupali, and Dipali it is 48,000 rupees, and Mitali amount 24,000 rupees. So this is how the things are recovering the accounts. So next, this partners capital amount, partners loss of realization account will be transferred to partners capital account. So how much they will get, amount will be transferred in a partners capital account. So when the firm is dissolving, they won't get it that much profit. So it's just a partners capital account. So debtor and a credit side of Rupali, Deepali and Mitali. In creditor side also, Rupali, Deepali and Mitali, their partners capital account. We'll open a partners capital account. So in this, to balance brought down, Rupali amount is balance brought down amount is 40,000 rupees, which is given already. The it is in a 1 second, which is in a asset side. Capital amount of Mitali is 40,000 rupees. So this is a 40,000 rupees. Mitali's amount balance brought down 40,000 rupees. And to realization account, loss and realization, the realization amount is 48,000 for the Rupali, and Dipali it is a 48,000 rupees, and for the Mitali it is 24,000 rupees. So to realization account on loss and realization amount is 48,000, that transferred in a partner's capital account. So after that, by balance brought down of Rupali and Dipali amount is 60,000 and 40,000. Their opening balance was 60,000 and 40,000 rupees. So this side amount is deficiency amount. So how much deficiency amount is deficiency amount for the Rupali? It is 12,000 rupees. So 60,000 minus 48,000. So 12,000 rupees is the deficiency amount for the Rupali's account. And Deepali's amount is 40,000 plus 8,000. Here it is a 48,000 rupees, and she is paying crediting rupees of 8,000 rupees, Deepali. So 8,000 rupees is the deficiency amount, 8,000 rupees. And next is Mitali's amount is 64,000 rupees. 40,000 plus 24,000, 64,000. Mitali's amount is 64,000 rupees. So So after finding out the partner's capital account, need to prepare deficiency account. So in a deficiency account, the partner's capital account debit side balance will be transferred to deficiency account. So how much amount is less, this amount will be transferred in a deficiency account. Open the deficiency account. So by Rupali's capital account, this is a Rupali's capital account deficiency amount less. How much it is? 12,000 rupees. Less amount is 12,000 rupees, and by creditors account is 60,000 rupees. Credit amount of Rupali's amount is 60,000 rupees. So debit balance is transferring partners capital amount will be transferred in a deficiency account. And next, deficiency account of Deepali's capital account. Capital account of Deepali's is 8,000 rupees, and Mitali's amount is 64,000. Mitali's capital account 64,000. So both side it is 72,000. And bank loan charge secured on stock. So on dissolution, bank loan discharge on realization of stock. So after this, after the deficiency account, need to open a account of bank loan account. So in a bank loan account, there is a amount in a liability side, bank loan with a charge on stock rupees 1 lakh rupees. So bank loan amount is by balance brought down. This amount will take 1 lakh rupees, and if you pass journal entry, so to bank account data to bank loan account. So stock released amount is 1 lakh rupees. Next, in the realization, when all partners are insolvent, need to prepare a bank account also. In a bank account, by balance brought down amount is bank amount is 2000 rupees, which is given in asset side balance sheet 2000 rupees. And realization account is 1,80,000 rupees. Fixed assets released amount is 1,80,000 rupees. And the two realization account is 1,04,000 rupees. This is by bank account stock released amount is 1,04,000 rupees. And realization account is 6,000 rupees. Deficiency amount is 6,000 rupees. Realization expenses amounted rupees 6,000 rupees. And by bank loan account is 1 lakh rupees. Next, by creditors account is by from the creditors account is it is 1,80,000 rupees. Creditors amount is 1,80,000 rupees. By bank account fixed assets is 1,80,000 rupees. It is 1,80,000 rupees. So both the side in a bank amount is 2,86,000 rupees. So after this, need to open sundry creditors account also. After the bank account, sundry creditors account. In the sundry creditors amount is 2,40,000 rupees. 2,40,000 rupees. By bank account, it is 1,80,000 rupees. By bank, it is 1,80,000 rupees. Here amount is 1,80,000 rupees bank account from 1,80,000, and here the deficiency amount is 60,000 rupees in a creditors account. So 60,000 rupees is the deficiency account. In part all the partners insolvent of amount is 60,000 rupees. So creditors account is 2,40,000 rupees. So when all the partners are insolvent, we need to separately open the account for the liabilities, all the liabilities outside the third party liabilities, and need to open a bank account and efficiency account, bank loan account, and bills payable. If the given bills payable entry, that also we need to open the entry of the bills payable and efficiency account. And what which how much amount is left with the partners, that will prepare in a partners capital account. Then wherever the fixed assets, they can sell it for the liabilities, that is amount will be recovering, that amount will be coming in a realization account. So recovering amount is coming in a realization account. So before bills payable bank amount, we used to take when one partner insolvent, so we used to prepare in a realization account only. We used to close the account in a realization account only. But in the all partners are insolvent, when all partners are insolvent, need to prepare a separate entry, separate account for the liabilities.